Welcome to MindSpark Quiz, the ultimate test for your brain. Today, we are challenging you with some of the most iconic trivia. Can you make it through all three levels? Easy, medium, and expert? Only a true genius can reach the final round. Starting off, nice and easy. I am a tall lady in New York Harbor holding a torch. What am I? Look at your options. Is it A, Empire State Building, B, Liberty Bell, or C, Statue of Liberty? 5 seconds on the clock. The correct answer is the Statue of Liberty. Did you get it right? Let's move to the next question. Question 2. Still in the easy zone. I am the bird that represents the United States. What am I? Is it A, golden eagle, B, bald eagle, or C, red-tailed hawk? 5 seconds on the clock. The correct answer is the bald eagle. Did you get that one? You're on a roll. Let's see the next one. Moving on to question 3, still in the easy zone. I am a color of the stripes on the US flag. Which one am I? Look at your choices. Is it A, green, B, yellow, or C, red? 5 seconds on the clock. Stay focused. Go. Time is up. The correct answer is red. Did you get that one? You're doing great. Let's see the next one. Question 4. How's your brain feeling? I am the city of brotherly love. What am I? Check your options. Is it A, Boston, B, Chicago, or C, Philadelphia? 5 seconds on the clock. Stay focused. Now. Time is up. The correct answer is Philadelphia. Did you get that one? Only one more left in easy level. Last question of level 1. Here we go. I am the home of the president. What am I? Check your options carefully. Is it A, the White House, B, Pentagon, or C, Lincoln Memorial? 5 seconds on the clock. Your last chance for level 1. Time is up. The correct answer is the White House. Congratulations, you've completed level 1. Are you ready for level 2? Wow, you finished level 1. Great job. Before we move to the medium level, if you love these quizzes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for MindSpark Quiz. Ready for more? Let's jump into level 2. Welcome to level 2. Things are getting serious now. Question 6. I am the Big Apple. What am I? Is it A, Los Angeles, B, New York City, or C, Miami? 5 seconds on the clock. Stay sharp. Go. Time is up. The correct answer is New York City. Did you get it? Question 7. Can you handle the heat? I am the Golden State. What am I? Is it A, Nevada, B, California, or C, Arizona? 5 seconds on the clock. Your time starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is California. You're doing great. Question 8. Think carefully about this one. I am the street in New York City famous for theaters and bright lights. What am I? Is it A, Wall Street, B, Fifth Avenue, or C, Broadway? 5 seconds on the clock. Don't blink. Time is up. The correct answer is Broadway. Showtime. Question 9. A little bit of history for you. I am the first state to join the Union. What am I? Is it A, Delaware, B, New Jersey, or C, Virginia? 5 seconds on the clock. Focus up. Time is up. The answer is Delaware. If you knew that, you're a genius. Question 10. Last question of level 2. Can you reach the expert level? I am the drink, often called Java or Joe in the US. What am I? Is it A, tea, B, soda, or C, coffee? 5 seconds on the clock. Last chance for medium. Time is up. The correct answer is coffee. You've made it through level 2. Only the expert level remains. Are you ready? Wow, you've made it through the medium level. How many did you get right so far? Write your score in the comments right now. If you're enjoying this challenge, hit that subscribe button and join the MindSpark family. Are you ready for the final test? Let's jump into the expert level. Question 11. I am the state where the first airplane flight took place. What am I? Is it A, Ohio, B, Virginia, or C, North Carolina? 5 seconds on the clock. Stay focused. Go. correct answer is North Carolina. Did you know that? Question 12. Who am I? I am the inventor known as the Wizard of Menlo Park. Is it A, Tesla, B, Edison, or C, Bell? 5 seconds on the clock. Your final countdown starts now. The correct answer is Edison. You're on fire. Question 13. I am the state known as the Peach State. What am I? Is it A, Alabama, B, Georgia, or C, Virginia? Don't make a mistake. Time is up. The correct answer is Georgia. Still with me? Question 14. I am the U.S. mountain famous for having 4 presidents' faces. What am I? Is it A, Pikes Peak, B, Mount Rushmore, or C, Mount Rainier? Only 2 left. Time is up. The answer is Mount Rushmore. Incredible! Question 15. The final question. I am the U.S. city famous for Mardi Gras. What am I? Is it A, Mobile, B, Charleston, or C, New Orleans? 5 seconds on the clock for the win. Time is up. The final answer is New Orleans. Congratulations, you've conquered the MindSpark quiz.